Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Opera cookies. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Opera cookies. So, Opera cookies are sometimes makes your PC lag, or maybe if sometimes to fix your PCs, you need to clear your cookies, or maybe stop getting cookies from other sites because sometimes cookies makes your browser lag and take up some space on your PC. So, to fix this, just open up your Opera. And once you're here at your Opera, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right. There you go. After clicking on the three horizontal lines on the top right, just go down to go to full browser settings. After clicking on go to full browser settings, go down here to privacy and security, or you can just click it on the top left. There you go. And click on the third party cookie. And you may allow to adjust third party cookies right here. And there you go. You may allow third party cookies if you want it to be more experienceable and more enjoyable. But if you don't want it to lag a bit, you may choose the second one. And if you don't want it to accept cookies because you just don't want them, just block third party cookies. There we go. So yeah, and you can also do right here. Just go back. You can delete the cookie. Just go here to delete browsing data and click on advanced. You can see here cookies are on and just click delete. Same as here, just check here. And once it's checked, and click on delete data, and there you go. Your cookies will now be gone. And a quick tip for you guys: in the third-party cookies, you can also do not track requests. When you do this is on. The enable the do not track means the request will be included your traffic browsing, browsing traffic. Any effect depends on whether a website responds to the request and how the request is interpreted. There you go. You can see, and just click confirm, and there you go. As you see, there's do not track now when you go to another website. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.